Good morning to the new video. Welcome.
Hello, good morning.
We're getting breakfast quickly and then soon we're gonna get picked up to go to our basket floating boat.
I think I'm gonna get
We found a place. Now we gotta hurry back. We still have to pack and get ready and we're getting picked up in about half an hour. So we're running late as always. Okay, only 20 minutes to go and then we have to hit the car. So I'm doing something very silly. I'm bringing my bag and it's like constantly raining the whole time. Please don't let me regret it. They said, come in rainy season to Vietnam, it's not too bad. But since we're here, it's like constantly raining and I need my rain jacket. Okay, it's raining crazy. I guess the basket experience gonna be wow. It's gonna be great. So if you come to Hội An and you want to do the basketball tour, maybe check the weather before. Maybe it's fun. Let's see what happens.
exciting.
Okay. So as you can see, it's raining cats and dogs. Yeah, we might have the river for ourselves. That's the good news. But first we cover our camera yet and we only bring the GoPro. We're not even the only one. We're gonna get so wet.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello.
Hello, xin chào.
Xin chào.
Xin chào. Hello.
Yeah, much better than the...
Xin chào.
Okay, let me get rid of this one. Let's go, full tourist mode. Hello.
Xin chào.
Xin chào.
Hello, xin chào.
You're welcome. I think I need to vomit. Have had more luck with the weather. It just rained a little bit in between and it's fun.
It's actually fun. It was nice, colorful.
Yeah, and also it was only 100,000 per person with the company we went. I think it's the cheapest one. The other ones were up to 150 per person, and you can also pay money on the river for like.
People who's doing performance like the fisherman who's throwing the fish net, like people dancing and singers.
Yeah, definitely Hội An, best place to go.
Yeah.
I think now he's teaching us how to do crab fishing.
Yeah. Wow.
Let him free. Let him go to freedom. No, let's go. Let's go. Let's
Okay,
go.
bye bye.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, we prefer if they're in the nature. Okay, we're back. It was roughly an hour.
And the rain stopped.
Yeah.
Cao được
Very good.
coi được thêm lên mà du quất tam
Come on.
tam vui.
Get everything? Good. That's what the boats look like. Only one pedal.
We're gonna go to the car again, and the car will take us back to our place. After lazy time for a while, we're gonna go to a cafe. Ready to go?
Aftermath of our but I didn't stop. We found a really nice place, but unfortunately we already eat.
Yeah. We're gonna be here for laptop and for coffee and coconut. Just gonna work.
It's weird making some videos now after 2 weeks where we didn't do any uploads. It's weird to meet people on the way and you have good time with them, and then you don't want to say like, oh okay, goodbye, we're working on our videos for 5 hours. So we prefer to enjoy the time with the group, and now we're gonna sit down and do our homework again.
Forgetting that. Just bear with us. Time to leave now. We're gonna have some dinner. Here we are in the restaurant Vegan, and this is what we're having right now.
Okay, let's eat, I'm ready.
Let's eat. Selamat makan.
We finished our food portions were small, nothing special. Stuff was nice, it looked nice, but yeah, that's it actually. Now, because it's not raining, hi, go and say hello. Yeah, because it's not raining, we're walking back. We also just read that there are like crazy floods in Vietnam at the moment. That explains the rain the whole time. So it's worse than usual. It's not just like...
Not just a normal rainy season, but it's more than that.
Yeah, and to prove our point here, we just walked out of the street. I just turned the camera now. That's the river over there. So the river is on the... in the streets of the old town.
Look at like flooding and everywhere, even here. We need to also think about our travel itinerary because like the bus won't take us probably because it's like flooding, and
yeah,
we have to think about that as well.
We also just met some people now, and they told us like there were also some warnings about the city, so maybe we should update ourselves a little bit about the situation here. Because so far we thought it's just like, oh, that's the rainy season in Vietnam. Yeah, you're right. We should overthink our situation. I would say that's it for today.
Yeah.
We're making plans for tomorrow, but haven't decided anything yet. So
We'll see.
it's gonna be a surprise tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.